Cybercriminals don't need advanced tech to hack you. They just need to make you panic. But how do fear-based scams work? And what would one even look like? Fear-based scams work because they hijack the brain's threat response system, exploiting our biology, psychology, and social instincts. Some scams trigger an alarm causing you to feel unsafe or in trouble. When you perceive a threat, real or imagined, your amygdala, the brain's fear center, activates. This triggers a fight or flight or freeze response designed to help you survive danger. In these cases, you are no longer thinking critically. You're reacting. Other scams create a sense of urgency, shutting down your time to reflect and make you feel like verifying isn't an option. Then there's leveraging authority. Humans have been socially conditioned to obey authority figures, an instinct rooted in our evolutionary need to survive within structured groups. Scammers exploit this by impersonating CEOs or managers, police or government officials, or IT admins and tech support. Even without proof, people are more likely to trust and comply with someone in a perceived position of authority. Scams generally rely on one or some combination of these three psychological tactics. A scam that triggers the alarm might sound like a phone call.
There's a warrant out for your arrest, unless you pay now.
An email message that creates urgency might say, you have 24 hours to reset your password before your account is deleted. A smishing or text message scam that leverages authority could look like this one. This is your CEO. I need you to wire money for an urgent acquisition. These tactics work across all communication channels, but no matter how the message is delivered, if an unexpected contact triggers fear, anxiety, or pressure to act, treat it as a red flag, as it is likely a scam designed to manipulate your response. A staggering 72% of phishing campaigns involve fear-based tactics, and 88% of successful attacks stem from victims who didn't recognize the signs, often due to panic or pressure. This just goes to show that technical skills aren't always necessary to pull off a scam. If a criminal can make you feel uneasy or pressured, that alone can be enough to get you to act.